Are you looking for a bigger home in one of Cavite's most sought-after locations? Today, we're here in Town and Country in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite, where I will be showing you the Leonor model, a spacious 4-bedroom single-attached home designed for families who are ready to upgrade their homes and their lifestyle. Welcome to Leonor Model, our best-selling single-attached home, and this home is available in Bacoor, Muntinlupa, and Las Piñas. This single-attached home is complete finish with a total minimum lot area of 100 square meters and a total floor area of 130 square meters. So yung property line ninyo would be from this side up to this side, and it has 4 big bedrooms. That includes the maid's room, 3 toilets and bath, and a provision for 2 carport. Now, ang maganda sa house na to, it comes in complete finish with included Meralco and water application. So, installed na yung mga utilities mo, plus the cabinets, the CCTV, and others. So, isa-isahin natin yan later. So, as we enter, this is your gate. So, ganyan yung ito-turn over sa inyo. By the way, this house that we are viewing right now, this is the RFO or the actual deliverable unit available in Muntinlupa. But in Bacoor, ganito rin yung ito-turn over natin. Okay, so our carport, so you have a 2 gate. So this is for the vehicle and you have a service gate. So, pagpasok mo, cemented na yung carport mo. I will give you, if you are interested, I can give you the exact floor plan para makita nyo yung measurement. So, this is your carport and this is the area if you want to put some plants. This is your entry and kasama na yung fence and gate. Painted na rin yan, as you can see. And the house is really beautiful. So, sa mga naghahanap ng Bacoor, Muntinlupa, and Las Piñas, we have this beautiful single-attached home. Please do inquire because this is just limited in availability. So, complete finish yung labas natin and even the beautiful stone accents are included. And even the lights, yung mga fixtures kasama na yan. Alright, so this area, you can put some really nice landscape here, mga plants mo, and you can even extend this, diba? Palagyan mo ng bubong, it's up to you. Now, the main entrance is on the side. So, this is your entry. And sa mga nagtatanong, you can actually put some plants here na para meron siyang screen. But this is the actual turnover. Kasama na tong fence, painted fence. And let me just show you briefly yung itsura niya sa likod. This is actually the property in Muntinlupa. So, medyo malaki tong lote na to. It's 170 lot area. But in Bacoor, we are selling 122. So, meron tayong 122. Mas maliit yung lote nun. Hanggang dito yung 122. Ayan. So, ito kasi malaki yung lote niya. But, meron tayong fence and gate, no? So, sa lahat ng Leonor natin, kasama yung fence and gate. So, this is your laundry and service area. And you can even put here a dirty kitchen if you want to. Alright. So, ayan yung ating turnover. It's complete finish. A very beautiful Leonor model. So, pasukin natin siya from the main door. By the way, this property or home is developed by Rainwood Development Corporation. It's available through spot cash, bank financing, and even in-house. So our main door is made of wood. So hardwood yung ating main door. Everything that you can see in this video is included. So the floor area of Leonor is 130 square meters. And as you enter, this is your living area. Yan, medyo malaki yung living area mo. And mind you guys, included na yung ating mga CCTV camera. So, we have a CCTV cameras here installed and other parts of the house. So, at this side, right after the main door, you have your dining area and your kitchen. And you also have this beautiful sliding glass door that leads to your lanai. You have tiles na pala on your lanai. So, it's really nice, especially if you have like friends or family coming over. You can put some tables and barbecue area, diba? So, this is your indoor dining and this is your outdoor dining. So, very nice. Here, what you can see is the kitchen, and yes, kasama na lahat sa kitchen. So, what you see here in the model house, this is already included. So, you have this beautiful modular cabinets, and even the base cabinet and the grease trap, di ba? May kasama na siyang grease trap. Very, yung house, pinag-isipan, talagang intentional, alright? So, for the kitchen, our countertop is granite finish. Yan, beautiful black slab ng granite. And you have the stainless sink with a gooseneck stainless faucet. Now, yung mga outlets natin are included already. This is for your range hood. And you have this nice area for your microwave. Di ba ang ganda? Kasi talagang pinag-isipan ng developer na ano yung mga usual appliances na makikita sa isang household of this price. So, ang ganda kasi pinag-isipan nila. And I really like this part. This is actually like a spice area. Pwede mong ilagay dyan yung mga panluto mo, toyo, suka, and even oil, and the whatnots, diba? And you have actually a parang abang na siya for the range hood exhaust. So, ang galing lang. Then, you have more drawers and cabinetries. Soft close siya, di ba, sa shawl. Talagang pinag-isipan, which is really, really nice. Alright? By the way, this door leads to your laundry and service area. Whoops, before I forgot, you actually have a maid's room. Okay, let me show you the maid's room. Ito yung room ng maid. Ayan. So, ang wala lang sa maid's room is the toilet and bath, but you can actually put one after turnover. Pwede mo siyang palagyan dito ng sarili niyang toilet. Yeah, for example, yung kapitbahay, yun ang ginawa niya. Okay, pero wala siyang included, but you can do that after turnover. By the way, all the windows, it's beautiful. Yung ating malalaking mga sliding powder-coated windows, it comes with a screen door. Yan, let me show you the screen door. Diba? It's very nice kasi it keeps off all the mosquitoes or yung mga insekto, diba, outside of your house. Very nice, pinag-isipan, and very intentional talaga. By the way, our flooring is 60 by 60 glazed tiles. And included na rin yung ating baseboard and yung mga outlets natin. And even the lights. So, yung mga natin, yung mga provisions for the lighting included na. And this is your doorbell. Yes, kasama na rin po yan. And even everything, no, yung ating circuit board or panel, power panel, it's already there. This is the kind of home na wala ka na ipapa-renovate after turnover. Like literally, bring your stuffs, lipat na, tara, lipat na tayo. Ganon siya. Moving forward, this is your powder room on the ground floor. And it's complete finish, and even the tiles are floor to ceiling. This is included, guys, mind you. The mirrors and even all the fixtures. Kasama na rin yung ating bidet, diba? Very nice. And even the exhaust over here. So, this is your powder room. Yan. Binuksan ko yung ilaw para ma-appreciate nyo. Oh, by the way, there are lightings on the kitchen. Hindi ko nakita kanina. Ang cute lang. Very nice. Okay, let's move forward. Let's take a look on the second floor. Ito pala yung control ng mga CCTV natin, which are already installed in the house. Okay, for our stairs, May mga ilaw tayo, no? This is actually hardwood planks. So may mga hardwood planks tayo. And for the railings, it's painted metal. It's really nice. I love na simple lang siya. If you want to add some like mga gamit, mga furnitures or appliances, hindi siya madaling bihisan kasi very basic yung, very neutral yung colors na ginamit. Okay, you can even put a curtains, yung mahahaba, di ba? On the second floor, you have 3 big bedrooms. So, let's check out first the master. This is included, yung ating built-in cabinets, very nice. Those are included. And the dresser over here. Di ba ang ganda? You have this dresser included. This is the master bedroom. And you have its own toilet and bath. Wow, look at that. You have your own shower enclosure included upon turnover. Yan, let me just show you. At maganda kasi kasama na rin ito yung ating rain shower na stainless. And this beautiful shower enclosure with the mirror. And the lights are included. So this is actually ready for occupancy or ready to move in, no? Depende kung saan mo bibilhin. Again, this in Bacoor is pre-selling or for construction, and the one in Muntinlupa is ready for occupancy. Yung flooring natin sa second floor, these are vinyl planks. Pero ito yung medyo high-end na mga planks na hindi basta-basta umaangat, no? This is the balcony. Diba? Ang ganda. This is tempered glass and you have the stainless railings. Very minimalist. Very nice. At kasama na rin itong sliding glass door na meron siyang screen door. Yan. Ang ganda. And all the rooms, by the way, have provision for air-conditioned outlets, nakaabang na. And even the lights, no, kasama na rin. At yung maganda talaga dyan, yung cabinets. Kasi ang mahal, guys, magpagawa ng mga built-in cabinets. But here, in Town and Country, in Rainwood Properties, in Greenville, in Green Heights, Muntinlupa, kasama na to. Diba? Ito yung bahay na wala ka na talagang iisipin. You need not worry about those things because I got it covered. Moving forward, this is your bedroom number 2. Malaki siya, so if you have kids, this is perfect for them. May kasama na rin siyang built-in cabinets and a small desk. Diba? Or a study nook. Diba? And outlets, we have 2 outlets for each room. If I'm not mistaken, dalawa yan. And ito may aircon provision na rin siya. Okay? Pakita ko din yung cabinet to, malaki. Ayan. Diba? Very nice. At may mga baseboard na siya, ha? Kahit yung mga small things, talagang pinag-isipan. And kasi usually yung nangingitim pag laging nilinisan, nagmamap, nagwawalis, nangingitim yan. So maganda, meron kayong baseboard. The third bedroom, which is very nice also. You have this window with aircon provision, and it also comes with built-in cabinets. Very nice. Okay, let me show you the cabinets. Alright? Ayan. So, kung meron kong mga luggages, meron na siyang provision for that. And finally, we have the bathroom. We have the common bathroom. This is for the 2 bedrooms. At meron din siyang kasamang shower enclosure. Very nice, diba? And even the fixtures, nasa Cool siya na brand. And you have the stainless bidet and even the mirrors. Awesome. Very nice. And by the way, ito sa mga magagandang feature ng toilet to, naka-recess siya. Recess, ibig sabihin na kahit tumaas yung water, hindi mag-overflow yung toilet mo. Diba? Small things, very, very intentional, that gives your house more premium or added premium. So that's it for Leonor model. If you are interested with this house, please do message me and let's schedule a viewing so that we can start your dream home process. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!